StarOffice Writer. StarOffice Writer is a word processor. Some of the word processing packages are MS Word, Lotus, AmiPro, WordPerfect, WordStar, and WordPro. The term word processing refers to the activity carried out using a computer and suitable software to create, view, edit, manipulate, transmit, store, retrieve, and print documents. A document may contain text, tables, graphs, and charts, equation, pictures, and drawing. Create new document. Select StarOffice 8 from the Program menu. 5. New text document. As the characters are typed, they appear on the screen and flashing vertical bar called insertion point moves to the right. This insertion point always indicates where the new text will appear. When the text being typed reaches the end of the line, StarOffice Writer will automatically wrap the text to the next line. The Enter key should be pressed only at the end of a paragraph or when a blank line is to be inserted when a page is filled up. StarOffice Writer automatically creates a new page.